Hi, everyone. I just wanted to take a minute here to explain how this weekly schedule works. Okay, so this is a document that your teachers are planning on making every week for you over the next few weeks as we work through this online learning stuff. Because we heard you were being overwhelmed by the number of posts on Google Classroom and figuring out when everything's due. So we made this whole schedule for you to follow, and we'll update it every week as we go through. Okay, so the basics of it are that you have your humanities work for the week here in pink. You have your math work for the week here in yellow, and that includes those of you who are in Rubino's class versus those of you who are in Miss Aquino's class. And then your science work for the week is down here. And just like you normally have like 8 classes of math every week and you only have 4 classes of science, that's why the science is a little bit lighter down here, whereas math has the normal like double blocks. So let's work through one day to show you how it all works. Let's take a look at Monday. So on Monday, you're expected to read for 20 or 30 minutes, and that's a thing that's expected every day for everyone. And then you should go to Google Classroom. You're filling out your reading log for Dear. You're starting the Diary of a Part-Time Indian, and you are answering the essential question. And all that stuff is found in Google Classroom, like most of your stuff for each class. For math, you're expected to do 20 to 30 minutes of IXL, and that's just practicing your math stuff. And then on Monday, and I think I'm going to do this every week, Monday we're going to have a short Zoom meeting for science, just so I can explain what you have to do for your project every week. Okay? And so that's it for the subjects. It lays it out for every day of the week. And then if we scroll down here, we can see office hours. So whereas you have up here, this is all your mandatory work. This is the stuff we expect every person to be getting done every week to the best of your ability. Whereas down here, this is the optional stuff, right? This is where you can get extra help if you need it. So if I was in IMB and I needed help on some math problems, I would look here for when Miss Aquino is available. And Miss Aquino is actually available every day for this week for some amount of time. So if it's Tuesday and I need help on my math work, I'm going to look here on the Tuesday office hours, find Miss Aquino, and see that she's available 10 to 12 a.m., like 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., I think. And she, there isn't a link here, so that means I'm going to email her or I'm going to text her if I have her number. And I am going to ask her when she can meet between those hours. And then hopefully she'll get back to me and we can talk. And maybe if she doesn't have any time left this day, then she can meet tomorrow. Most of your teachers are pretty flexible around this stuff. So if you have any questions, I think the key point here is if you have any questions for us or if you need to meet with us, please email us because we would love to help you out during this time. Okay? And if you have any questions about this schedule, email any of your teachers and we'll explain it a little more, okay? Have a good day.